From the crib in the MIA to the changing of the maid with the whole gang. Only the bold black American way. 2 girls, 4 boys, 2 parents, we the 8th wonder. Let's roll back to the airport we go.
All right, so we going on our family walk early in the morning. It's, what time is it? Like 7. Around 7 a.m. in the morning. Going on our family walk. Actually, y'all on the wrong side. They left, when they turn, it's actually on this side of the road. Yeah. Remember, it's backwards.
Oh, wow.
There's a family dog around. It's a construction site here.
Hail to the king, baby.
Get to know our neighborhood. This is our neighborhood, y'all. Chiang Mai. There's a pool, but it's empty.
Yeah, I think the house is. Oh, they might have turned this. This probably was his old, the king's old house.
It's a rental space.
Oh, they're renting it?
Yeah.
I wonder how much it was for. Well, you know what? I think I might have sold it.
For real?
Yeah.
Those are really nice coconuts.
Alright, so we finally got to drive a Thai car with the wheel on the opposite side. And we was just having some issues. We had a rattling under the car, and the car was continuously beeping while we was driving. And we didn't know what it was. So we contacted the guy who gave us the car, and then figured out immediately after we typed it that the emergency brake was on. We were sitting for like 5, almost 10 minutes in our near our parking lot, next to our house, trying to figure out how to even work the GPS. We put in our destination. It say, okay, off to Bangkok. Like what? But right now we're going to Mega Home to get, you know, some stuff for the house. We're probably gonna go into the furniture store to get a little more furniture. We're gonna get some food, you know, so we can live up in the house, because it's bare. It's not furnished yet. So we trying to get it. And so we out doing errands right now. And he driving the car. So Daddy, how you say the car feel? Why are you driving on the other side?
It feel the same, just on the opposite side. That's all.
Not to mention, oh, that's Toyota. Not to mention, we've never really driven a Toyota. We always had a Chevy or a Lincoln
Yeah.
Navigator. Yeah, and a Jeep.
Yeah,
Cherokee.
Yeah, Cherokee. So it's a little weird. It's different.
And it's smaller
They do-
than.
And it's smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it do. I can feel like the awkwardness a little bit.
Yeah. It is a little awkward, I can tell. But yeah, the car we're driving in is an SUV, and they're much smaller than the counterparts. Yep, you got to get over, and then you turn all the way around. This lady always over here, she was just selling stuff.
Remember I told you that's what you gotta do.
So
Yep.
yeah, tell them how that is.
Yeah, these roads, it doesn't have a merge. Like, you have to drive continuously for a couple of miles, right?
Yeah.
Continuously for a couple of miles. Because
Just
just to turn right back around, drive back down other miles just to get to the stores that we need to go to. Because they don't have a split or a merge where you can just go right through.
Right.
So
It's like
that's
no
one flaw.
really that many four ways.
Yeah, it's no four ways.
One thing I do like about Ty is that the people that's on bikes or scooters, whatever, they are allowed to actually drive on the side.
Yeah, actually, they drive. I noticed they drive
between
in
cars.
between cars. They drive anywhere as long as they're slow. You know,
And, back home, that's a ticket.
that's a ticket.
So
Yeah,
that right there would got him a ticket.
yeah. But I noticed that a lot of these drivers, they're really careful. And you know what you don't see here? Dents on everybody's cars.
Like how it is.
Yeah, there go the lady. She's selling
So I'm
something.
making a U or I'm making a.
Yeah, U-turn.
U-turn.
Correct. You see what they're doing? Yep. Turn all the way around. So many people on motorbikes here. See, I want to get my a motorbike myself. Go ahead, Daddy. I know you got something to say.
Oh, you say you want to do what now?
I'll get a motorbike.
Talking about one of the bicycles with a little engine on it?
No, a motorbike like how they drive it. You
But
see
that's what
them?
it sounds like you're saying. You said a bike with a motor.
Number one hater, y'all.
Yeah, she want to get a bicycle with a motor.
So anyway, I'm gonna get me a nice little bike, and I'm gonna be driving around safely,
She gotta
of course.
get a license to even do that though.
Then I'm gonna get a license.
She ain't gonna be able to get it.
See, no faith in me.
I
I thought dads were supposed to be supportive.
I ain't saying you would fail the
All I
test.
hear is
I'm saying
negativity.
You won't be able to
Bull,
take
bull.
Why she won't be able to take
it. She ain't driving on bike, man. That's dangerous.
No, it's not. Look at all these people driving bikes.
They were born here.
They were born here. I can
you know,
adapt.
I would rather for you to get a car.
You would rather for me to get a car?
Me too.
Yeah, it's more safe.
But I want a bike.
I
Specifically.
think you're supposed to be going to chain.
Really? Yeah, you were supposed to turn off right here. Uh-oh. Well, we're headed back down. Oh, no.
In the redirection.
Oh, Lord. No, yeah. I guess you have to get off on a separate, a little further down. But yeah, like I was explaining, this is a SUV.
My mojo.
I can't hear anything.
Yeah, like I was explaining, this here is a SUV. But it's pretty small. And Toyota probably already had that feature. We just never driven one, so we didn't know. But yeah, we have to drive right back down the long road. Oh my God. Just so we can make another turn.
Yeah, it normally say the navigation system normally say something.
There, that's because there ain't nothing.
The same.
Yeah. This is the road. You just you gotta, yep.
See how they drive? They still got them little lines and shit too.
They said get it right the first time.
Try to push on the brake.
Yeah. Oh wow, there's refrigerators right there in your face. Refrigerators. Look at this one. Yes.
Small though.
All right. Okay, they're gonna take us to where we need to go. Oh, we need tissue too. It's like 600.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. It matches the house. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, baby.
This is huge.
Oh, this is huge.
Oh, wow. This one is it's nice.
Yeah, this one 15.
420.
Not bad.
And then you get $1,000 off of that. Oh. Oh, okay. What the one with the water?
Yeah, this is 420. It's on sale. 15. The one with the water was how much? That's 11.
How much? Oh, that one was 20. Okay.
Damn, this one 15.
This one is nice though. I ain't gonna front.
13 is 2,005 more.
Looking at
13.
you're looking at the 11.
11.
This one is 15. One thing is, it don't come with an ice maker.
No. That's crazy. People don't have the ice maker. And I want the ice maker.
Oh, so 14. Yeah.
One of the ones you were looking at was cheaper.
Open it.
Is it the ice maker?
Oh, this is
I
not
think
ice
that's
maker.
for like.
Yeah, this is not ice maker. The ice maker.
Oh, okay.
Take 10 family man in Thailand. And take took his fan to Thailand. And to the mountains of Chiang Mai. The water, the rivers around.